Cailleach Oiche, the Irish word for owl. The Irish word for owl is Ulchawan, or Cailleach Oiche, which literally means the night crone, or the night witch, or hag. Cailleach is a powerful figure in Irish mythology. Her name means old crone, or veiled one. She is the shaper and maker of the land itself. The darkness of winter is her season. She reminds us of the inherent wisdom in the cycles of nature, that transformation involves something dying away for new life to return. From a Jungian psychology perspective, our own psychological growth comes from encounters with the hidden shadow aspect of our own selves. Cultivating a relationship with shadow means letting go of what no longer serves us, meeting ourselves more fully. This is a process of inner transformation and renewal. When we cultivate the symbolic eyes to see in the dark and make that journey inward more conscious, we begin to trust that such encounters, although painful at times, carry the potential for our own psychological growth, a process that brings us into deeper, inherent wisdom. Cailleach Oiche.